Corrosion protection of a vacuum pump with Belzona 1341. A vacuum pump is mainly used to remove gas from an area, leaving a partial vacuum behind, or to move water from one area to another. Corrosion and degradation in pumps leads to efficiency loss. Protecting pumps keeps them in service longer and ensures productivity. In this video, we use Belzona 1341, an epoxy-based coating for the erosion-corrosion protection of pumps and impellers, to demonstrate an internal protection of a vacuum pump that had been damaged by accelerated corrosion due to its service conditions. First, if the application area is heavily contaminated, pressure wash the surface and use a salt removal solution to wash away all contaminants. Then use masking tape to define the application area. Use an angular grit abrasive to achieve a near white metal finish and a minimum 3 mils profile. Once the surface is fully prepared, use the manufacturer's instructions for use to carry out the application. Measure 1 part of Belzona 1341 base and 1 part of Belzona 1341 solidifier using a measuring cup, and thoroughly mix both components until a homogeneous color is achieved. Using a stiff bristled brush, apply an even coat at the specified thickness. Working the material well into the application area. Throughout the application, use a wet film thickness gauge to measure the thickness of the coating. Allow the coat to cure until touch dry. Mix additional material in a different color and apply an even coat, making sure that the first coat is well covered. And then apply a second coat. Consult with the manufacturer's instructions for use for the recommended overcoat window. Corrosion protection of a vacuum pump with Belzona 1341 is now complete.